Hello everyone and welcome back. So class, in previous class we have learned how we can do reading of a clock also. अब धीरे धीरे मैम आपको properly time देखना भी सिखा देंगे. Okay? You don't have to worry about it, but just follow the instructions and start reading the clock. गलती है या गलत हो रहा है, it's okay, but this is how you learn, isn't it? So what we are going to do in this class? EVS. Yes, I told you in your previous class also. So you all are prepared to begin with the EVS work now? Very good. Class, can anyone tell me what we have done in the previous class? जो आपकी previous EVS class थी, उसमें हमने क्या किया था? Yes, we have written the names of different social helpers. If you remember, ma'am told you how you are going to write different social helpers name with the help of phonic sounds. And what you have done, phonic sounds को spell करते करते you have started learning big words like social helpers names also. हमारे जो different social helpers हैं उनके names you have learned and written also. So today again we are going to write the name of these social helpers, but what something else we are going to do, we are also going to draw their tools. जब हम इन social helpers के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे, when we were learning about them, ma'am told you that different social helpers use different tools. हर social helper का एक अलग tool होता है, isn't it? जिसकी help से वो हमारी मदद करते हैं या जिनको use करके they help us. So every social helper has a different tool now. Have you ever seen a doctor helping us with a stick? No, a stick is used by a policeman, isn't it? So today again we are going to write the name of few social helpers and we will draw the tools also. Are you ready for that? Okay, don't do the work right now. It's time to first understand. Look how I am doing the work, and after that I'll give you time to do the work also. So let's begin with the work. Number 1. Yes, which is the first social helper? Can anyone tell me? Not in the series, जो भी आपको याद हो. Yes, we'll draw the tool of a sweeper. So can anyone tell me how we write sweeper? Sweeper. Yes, just spell it sweeper. So how you are going to write that? S W E P E R. What is this? Sweeper. So who is a sweeper? Who is a sweeper? Can anyone tell me? The one who keeps our surroundings clean. जो हमारी surroundings को clean रखते हैं. So what they use? Yes? The sweeper has a broom to clean every room. The sweeper has a mop to wipe every drop. So what a sweeper has? A broom. What is broom? Jhadu. So we are going to draw that here. See, पहले एक long stick बनाइए आप ऐसे, ठीक है? And after that, draw some rough lines like this as the broomsticks. झाड़ू के जो तिनके होते हैं उनकी रफ लाइन बनाइए and then give them a shape like this. उसमें फिर क्या करना है, नीचे ऐसे उनको एक शेप दे देनी है बस. That's it. So what is it? It's a broom. झाड़ू. And who uses it? A sweeper. Clear? So like this we will write the names of few more social helpers and draw the tools. So sweeper uses a broom. Now next we have, who is the next? Can anyone tell me? Next comes a doctor. Yes. So we'll write doctor. अब डॉक्टर के पास क्या होता है? I am a doctor with pill. I am a doctor isn't it? Then what else? मैम तो वो बना रही है जिससे सबको डर लगता है. So what is this? Yes, you are right. It's an injection, a syringe, जिसमें मेडिसिन भर के जो बच्चे टाइम से लंच नहीं करते, हेल्दी फूड नहीं खाते, मम्मा पापा की बात नहीं मानते, वो इल हो जाते, वो बीमार हो जाते और फिर उनको क्या लगता है? इंजेक्शन लग जाता है. So the tools of a doctor is some medicines, pills, then we have an injection and something they use here. What is that? Yes, can you tell me what is that? It's a stethoscope. Very good. What is it? A stethoscope. So again, a stethoscope, a syringe and some medicines are the tools used by doctor. Clear everyone? So one is sweeper, uses a broom. Next is a doctor who uses medicines, syringe and a stethoscope. Okay, who is the next? Who is the next? Hello Mr. Policeman, what do you do? I control traffic and catch thief too. So what they do? What our policemen do? They control the traffic and they catch thief. Now, if we are talking of a policeman, so what they need? They need a gun. They have a gun now? Yes? So something like this, they have a gun. One is a gun. और एक क्या होता है वो लंबा सा? स्टिक होती है जिससे वो थीव्स की पिटाई करते हैं. So there is a stick like this with them. It's a bamboo stick और ये बहुत जोर से लगती है. पता है आपको? Yes, लाठी होती है, बहुत जोर से लगती है ये. So a gun and a stick used by a policeman. Clear? Okay. Number 4. Who is the next? Yes, if you remember any of the social helper, what they use? मैम भी यूज कर रहे हैं कुछ. मैम भी एक सोशल हेल्पर है. Then we can also, yes, who stitches our clothes? Hello Mr. Tailor, what do you do? I stitch your clothes, old and new. So there's a tailor also? Yes. So we are going to write tailor. Can anyone tell me what are the tools used by a tailor? Needle, thread, measuring tape, isn't it? So first let's draw a needle. So this is a needle. Then they use measuring tape. Something like this, they have it. One, two, three, four, like this. They have a measuring tape and they also use thread. So what is this? A spool of thread. So a tailor uses a needle, measuring tape and thread. Sewing machines भी use करते हैं, but these are very handy tools जो वो लोग hand से use करते हैं. Clear? Okay. So we have sweeper using a broom. We have a doctor using some medicines, some syringe. Then Then they use different nails. Small, big. They use sometimes they use screws, and yes, they use a hammer. Hammer क्या होती है बच्चा? हथौड़ी. So this is a hammer they use. They use some nails, some screw. ऐसे गोल गोल घूम जाते हैं जो स्क्रू होते हैं. Some nails and a saw, जिसको हम कहते हैं आरी. Understood? So if you remember of any more, you can tell me. Yes? One more we are going to do. Hurry up fast. Think. Yes, a teacher. I just told you. So the next we are going to write is a teacher. So teacher uses, you can see so many things here. First we'll draw a blackboard. That she writes so many things on it as I have written. Then a chalk to write. Then a duster to clean. Books, notebooks, pencils, erasers, sharpeners. There are n number of things a teacher uses. Isn't it what I have told you? Yes. So what you are going to do today? Today's work is to write the name of these social helpers and draw the tools in your notebook used by them. Is that clear? So now please open your EVS notebook. Now please open your EVS notebook and let's see how we are going to do this work in our notebook. Okay? So class, now please open your EVS notebook. कौन सी notebook खोलनी है आपको? Your EVS notebook, ठीक है? And write down today's date and topic, and then we'll start with the work. So what is the date today, class? 28th January, right? So first let's write down the date. 28th January 2021. And please mention classwork. So the topic is social helpers and their tools. Isn't it? We have learned that. So what you will do now, you will write the name of different social helpers and we will draw the tools also. Clear? So number 1, we have written sweeper. S-W-E-E-P-E-R. So it's a sweeper. And I told you what is used by a sweeper? Broom. Yes, jhadu. So what you have to do, just draw a stick like this. And after that, ma'am ne bataya tha na, you have to draw some lines like this, जो आगे broom के sticks होते हैं, and give it a shape. Pass. So a sweeper uses a broom. What a sweeper use? A broom. ठीक है? Now leave a line क्योंकि यहाँ तक हमारा tool आ रहा है ना. So you have to skip this line. Now number 2. So what are the things used by a doctor? We'll write the name of helper first. Doctor. Now can anyone tell me what are the things used by a doctor? A doctor uses some medicines, some pills, isn't it? Then they use a syringe. उसको हम ऐसे बनाएंगे like this. That has some measures. So this is a syringe, and they also use a stethoscope. Like this. So a doctor uses some medicines, syringe and a stethoscope. Clear? Again, we'll skip a line and we'll write it here. So can anyone tell me who is the next? Yes, the next social helper we have here is a policeman. So we'll write policeman. And what a policeman use? They use a gun. Like this. And a stick. So these are the two tools used by a policeman. Clear? Now, can you tell me who is the next? Next we have is a tailor. So what are the different tools a tailor use? Yes, a tailor use needles. Different needles they use. So this is a needle. Then they use thread. And some measuring tape. So this is also having some numbers 1, 2, 3. ये क्या होता है? एक measuring tape होता है जिससे वो लोग cloth को measure करते हैं. ठीक है? So we have a sweeper who uses a broom, doctor who use medicines, syringe or you can say injection and a stethoscope, policeman using a gun and stick, tailor using needle, then thread and measuring tape. Next we have is carpenter. So can anyone tell me what a carpenter use? Yes, they use a saw, आरी, isn't it? ऐसे होती है. Having some zigzag blades on the one side. Then they use a hammer. And some nails. Nails किसको कहते हैं? कीलों को. Yes. जो आयरन के nails और screws होते हैं. They use that. Clear? So a carpenter uses a saw, hammer, some nails, some screws. Now we are left with one more. Yes. So this time we have to do the work on the next page. So the next one we have is a teacher. So what all things a teacher use? There are n number of things. Like we have a green board or you can say blackboard on which she writes A, B, C and all. So it's a board. Then she use chalk pieces. She use a duster. Then some books. Isn't it? So you can draw n number of things a teacher use for doing her work or for teaching. So this is how you will do the work. First, you will write down the date, topic. You will write the name of different social helpers and draw the tools used by them in your notebook. So this is your classwork. What will be the homework? Homework will be same as classwork. So you have to do this work once again as your homework also. Yes, you can, if you want, you can take other social helpers and draw their tools, or you can practice the same also. Is that clear? Your homework and classwork both? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work in notebook. Write down the name of different social helpers and try to draw the tools they use. A part of these helpers also, you can write the name of any other helper. For your practice, you can do it. Cobbler ho gaye, then we have a gardener, we have a watchman, we have a mechanic use different tools. So अब आपको क्या करना है? Just finish your homework and classwork, and after that, when you are practicing writing the name of different social helpers, तो जिन social helpers के भी tools आपको आते हैं, try to draw them. Clear? Bye for now, and please get ready for your next class. Take care.